guys, today something new. Native Brook trout fishing. We're here in a little creek up in the mountains of Pennsylvania. You know, it's Labor Day weekend, and we we got a little bit upset that we didn't get any down in Virginia, so we came up here. We're gonna get our Native Brook trout fix in Pennsylvania in the mountains. All right, brought you all along. Hope you enjoy. Look what I got. Wow, is this something? Look at this. That is beautiful. That is a native brook trout. Look at that thing. That is beautiful. And out of this little teeny tiny creek, I bet nobody fishes here. Nobody. I'm gonna put this back. It's such a beautiful fish. I don't want it to die. Look at that thing. That is beautiful. Huh? Get that back in there. All right. Wow. Nice, huh? We're gonna give it a shot. See if we get a couple more. All right. Right here, right out of this little hole. They seem to be. So, I don't know how many would be in there, and we caught that on a gulp alive mini. Wow. I can't believe it hit it, but it did. So let's see if there's more down there. I'd stick the GoPro down in there, but I don't want to fall in. You know, I really don't want to fall in. It's such a nice spot. I really just want to see if there's more of those beautiful trout down in there, because I'm pretty sure there are. Nobody probably fishes it. Most people wouldn't even think to fish it. All right, we got this is a gulp alive mini on an actual trout magnet head. 32 ounce trout magnet. Ooh, something hit it. Somebody hit it right away. There's other ones in there, guys. Other ones. Probably some big ones. Put that one in there. See what we get. If anybody's hitting on it. Try back a little bit. Oh, there we go. Ooh. They are definitely in there. Huh? Ooh. Now, I think there's some nice ones left down in there. Yeah, I really do. I think there's some nice ones. I'm going to put this back. It's such a beautiful fish. I'm going to try back here again. We re-rigged. This time we just got a worm and a hook. That's it. Not much current here, so I don't know if we need much more than that. Ah, here we got one. This is a little one. Look at this. Woohoo! It fell off. It's just a teeny one. There's got to be more than just him. I bet you there's some big ones down in there yet. Woohoo! There we go, guys. Look at that little guy down there. Woohoo! He was beauty. Look at this little guy. Figured there had to be a couple little green sunfish in there. Even they're nice. Nice and colored. Right here, guys. This looks like it might be a good spot too. Never know. Never know. You know how you know? When you tried it and you failed. That's how you know. Most people don't think to fish these little creeks or anything other than a mini trap. down a little bit further. It looks like it could be some fish down maybe this way a little. Maybe. There's like a little hole right there. I'll fish that. Be out here spawning golf balls, but I found one. There's some fish down in there. I don't know if we'll get any of them, but we're going to give it a shot. It's all moving. All right, look at that. That was a little brookie right there. That was a little brookie. Maybe there's another one in there. Yep, there's another one in there here. There's quite a few maybe in that. I just want some more. Seem to be some up in there, and they are hitting, but I'm not going to stay in this little spot all night. There's other ones, I'm pretty sure. We got a couple that bite here and there all along here. It's just a matter till we get another one up on the bank. So let's keep moving. There's a little bit left of that creek here. So we went back to the car and we got us some split shots. Now we can hold the bait down there in the bottom and let them bite a little bit. See if we can get some action going in it. Look, they're biting. Here we go. Here we got somebody. Huh? What do we get here? Green sunfish. Look at him. He's pretty nice, huh? Look at that. That is a beauty. He's a dink, but he's a beauty. All right. Now put him back over here in the water. Let him swim upstream. And he can hang out here all he wants. All right. Let's put this back down there, see if we can get lucky. Get us a trout. As you know, they're in here. There you go, somebody's biting. All right, we got another green sunfish. Right. Probably got to feed all the sunfish now before we get a trout. Because we alerted the trout to the fact that we were here earlier. But there's the green sunfish back. There we go, guys, huh? Wow. That's what you call a snake. Oh, fish one. Got us a chub. Another one. Another chub. Chubby chubs. Lots of them in here. Let's see what else we can get. So far, big water snake. There we go. Put that back over here so we get it in the right spot. Bambino.